Welcome to Bitcoin Watch. Today, we're diving deep into StarkNet and its native token, STRK. We'll thoroughly explain what it is, how it works, explore its real-world use cases, and discuss both its advantages and disadvantages in detail. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth insights and analyses. And don't forget to check out our 24/7 live stream for continuous, up-to-the-minute crypto news and engaging live chat with our community. StarkNet is a cutting-edge Layer 2 scaling solution meticulously built on the Ethereum blockchain, leveraging advanced ZK rollups technology. By efficiently bundling numerous transactions off-chain and then validating them securely on Ethereum, StarkNet dramatically enhances transaction speed, significantly reduces costs, and vastly improves scalability, all while maintaining uncompromising security standards. This innovative approach allows Ethereum to process a much higher volume of transactions without sacrificing decentralization or security, making it a crucial component for the future of blockchain technology. The native token of StarkNet is STRK, which serves several crucial purposes within the ecosystem. It is primarily used for paying network fees, ensuring smooth and efficient transaction processing. Additionally, STRK can be staked to secure the network's operations, incentivizing participants to maintain its integrity. Furthermore, STRK holders gain governance rights, allowing them to actively vote on important protocol upgrades and proposals, shaping the future direction of StarkNet. With a maximum supply capped at 10 billion tokens, STRK is strategically designed to foster and support the long-term growth and sustainability of the entire StarkNet ecosystem, promoting a decentralized and community-driven approach. StarkNet employs sophisticated ZK Stark proofs, a revolutionary type of cryptography that enables the verification of hundreds or even thousands of transactions simultaneously. These cryptographic proofs are then securely sent to Ethereum's mainnet to ensure the highest level of security and integrity, inheriting Ethereum's robust security guarantees. This innovative approach allows developers to create complex, decentralized applications without placing an undue burden on Ethereum's primary chain, fostering innovation and efficiency by offloading computational work while still benefiting from Ethereum's foundational security. This mechanism is key to StarkNet's ability to scale effectively. STRK and StarkNet collectively enable a wide array of real-world applications across various sectors. This includes decentralized finance, or DeFi, facilitating fast lending, borrowing, and efficient token swapping with significantly reduced gas fees. It also powers NFT marketplaces, allowing for cheaper and faster minting and trading of digital assets, making NFTs more accessible to a broader audience. Furthermore, it supports blockchain gaming with seamless in-game transactions and asset ownership, enhancing the player experience. Finally, it provides scalable, secure payment solutions for both businesses and individuals, offering a more efficient alternative to traditional payment systems. The main advantages of StarkNet are truly compelling and position it as a leader in Layer 2 scaling. It offers exceptionally high scalability, capable of processing thousands of transactions per second, which is a significant improvement over Ethereum's current capacity. It also boasts remarkably low fees, making transactions much cheaper compared to Ethereum Layer 1, thus reducing the barrier to entry for users. Furthermore, it provides Ethereum-level security, ensuring a safe and reliable environment for all transactions and smart contracts. Finally, it is highly developer-friendly, supporting complex smart contracts through its innovative Cairo programming language, which is specifically designed for Stark proofs, enabling more sophisticated decentralized applications. However, it's important to acknowledge that StarkNet also faces some challenges that users and developers should be aware of. There is currently limited adoption compared to some other established Layer 2 networks, meaning a smaller user base and ecosystem. The value of STRK is inherently dependent on the continued growth and success of the network, making it susceptible to market fluctuations tied to ecosystem development. Developers may encounter a learning curve due to the specialized Cairo programming language, which differs from more common languages like Solidity. Additionally, the staking and governance systems are still evolving, which could introduce potential uncertainties for early adopters and investors as the protocol matures. To summarize, StarkNet and its native token STRK represent an incredibly exciting and vital component of Ethereum's evolving Layer 2 ecosystem. They offer unparalleled speed, robust security, and significantly reduced fees, benefiting both developers building innovative applications and users engaging with the blockchain. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and in-depth analyses. And make sure to join our 24/7 live stream for the very latest crypto news and engaging live discussions with our expert community.